We present you a yard in Osaka that you can use for storage, dismantling, and loading of containers. The old owner will be moving out soon, and we can organize your work here. It might be a good solution for you. There are a few facilities on the territory. Let me introduce them. We have a full set of diverse tools to perform disassembly of varying complexity. From wrenches to compressors, from gas cutting to forklift, you can use it all here. We have the ability to load 2 containers at once using container pit. The area of 1,500 square meters allows you to store a lot of equipment, cars, and other things. There are video surveillance cameras everywhere. The whole area is made of concrete with only a small layer of sand and soil on top. This neighboring yard could be leased or bought out. There's no fence because the owner is the same. Is currently storing the remaining equipment, which will soon be exported to their customers. As you can see, quite a variety of items are being stored at the moment. Please post a comment about what you need from what's on the video now. Or maybe you would like to order something from Japan. Please watch to the end. You will find out what facilities are available for the staff. By the way, Osaka is a very large port that ships goods all over the world. It is located in the center of Japan, which is very convenient for local delivery. There are many sellers and auctions of construction equipment, tractors, motorcycles, and autos around. Camera is here. Okay, let's go back and see what we've got on the premises. All of these tires going to Dubai. Here it is. Here is a restroom and sometimes room for overnight stays if the workers are guest workers. The next room is a warehouse. Now it stores household appliances and other goods to be sold on foreign markets. It's the main office where there's a workstation and a console with security cameras. There is a terrace for relaxing or a dining area. Here's the kitchen. Next are wash basins, laundry room with toilet and shower. Thanks for watching to the end. Contact us for cooperation. Contacts in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.